So I recently got this Bissell Little Green Pro Carpet Cleaner, and I'll be honest, it's really good. But the cons of this is that it is pretty loud, so I wouldn't use it around kids if they're sleeping and other things. So pretty loud. But then secondarily, you have to really put some elbow grease in to get some of the stains out. Now, obviously, you can use the kind of jet thing here to get the water and then the cleaning solution out, so it helps release that. But you do have to put some real elbow grease behind. I did have a couple stains in my car that I wanted to show you, kind of the before and afters. Some pretty serious ones, I might add. So maybe that's my problem is that I have some serious stains I got to get out. So if you have smaller ones, I'm sure it's not that much of a problem. But yeah, I wanted to show you kind of the process here. There's a little sprayer that comes out and sprays the solution, and then it's just on you to kind of apply it. Been really good though. I've been using it around the house, and it sucks up way more than you would think. But as you can see, the stains are gone. I had to put some real work behind it, but it is pretty successful. So yeah, and I just wanted to show you the water, nearly black here, and it started not that color. So works really great. I'd highly recommend you getting one for yourself.